Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about subtraction of dissimilar fractions. This is under Mathematics 5. So let us have our example here. We have here 48 over 50 minus 12 over 25. So there are two ways of solving the given. Let us have the first way of solving it, and this is by butterfly method. Let's have the solution here. Later, I will show you the second way of solving it so that you may choose on the methods that you are going to use. So kindly copy the given. So that is 48 over 50 minus 12 over 25. And then after that, you have to multiply 48 and 25 here. So 48 times 25, that is 1,200. And then you have to multiply 50 and 12, and that is 600 here. Multiply 50 and 25, and that is 1,250. And then after that, you have to subtract 1,200 minus 600, and then just copy the denominator, and that is 1,250. So 1,200 minus 600, that is 600 here, over 1,250. And then you have to simplify. Okay? So just think of a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. So we can divide this by 10. So 600 divided by 10, and that is equal to 60. 1,250 divided by 10, that is 125. So this is not the final answer. So kindly think of a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. And we can have 5 here to divide. So 60 divided by 5, that is 12, over 125 divided by 5, that is 25. So the answer is 12 over 25. It is because the first reason is that this is already a proper fraction, so no need to change this into mixed number. And also, the second reason is that there's no number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. So this is the first way of solving example number 1. As you can see, we have big numbers here. So that is the cons of this method, which is the butterfly method. But let me just show you solution number 2. So this is done using LCD, or the least common denominator. So let me just write solution 2 here. I hope that you still remember the answer for solution 1 so that you may compare here. So we will just write the given again. So that is 48 over 50 minus 12 over 25. And then you will just identify the LCD of 50 and 25. There are two ways of finding the LCD of a number or a fraction. But let me just have the ladder method for today. So this is how we are going to use the ladder method. So that is 50 and 25. And then you have to think of a prime number that can divide 50 and 25. So that's 5. 50 divided by 5, that's 10. 25 divided by 5, that's 5. And then think again of a prime number that can divide 10 and 5, and that is 5. So 10 divided by 5, that's 2. 5 divided by 5, that's 1. And then think again of a prime number that can divide 2, that's 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, bring down 1. So now we have to multiply the numbers that we get here. So we have here 5 times 5 times 2. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 2, that is 50. So our LCD here is 50. So we will write it here below, 50. And then after that, this is what you are going to do. You have to divide the denominator. So 50 divided by 50, that's 1 times 48. That's 48 here. And then 50 divided by 25, that's 2 times 12, that's 24. And then don't forget to copy the operation here. So minus 48 minus 24, that is 24 here over 50. And then kindly check if you can still simplify the given. So yes, it can still be simplified. Just think of a number that can divide 24 and 50 at the same time without remainder. And that is 2. So therefore, if we divide it, we will have 24 divided by 2, that's 12. 50 divided by 2, that's 25. So the answer is still 12 over 25. So you have the freedom to choose whichever method would you like to use. Is it the first method, the butterfly method, or this method, which is by the use of the LCD? Let us have another example. So we have here 32 over 35 minus 36 over 75. So let's have our solution here. So let's copy the given. So that's 32 over 35 minus 36 over 75. So for now, let's use the LCD part. So we have here 35 and 75. So let's think of a number, prime number specifically, that can divide 35 and 75, and we can use 5 here. So 35 divided by 5, that is 7. So we have here 75 divided by 5, and that is 15. And then think again of a prime number that can divide 7 or 15. Let's use 7 here. So we have here 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 15 divided by 7 cannot be, so copy 15. And then think of a prime number that can divide 15, and that is 5. So bring down 1 here. 15 divided by 5, that's 3. And then think of a prime number that can divide 3, and that is 3. Because 3 itself is a prime number. And then after that, you have to multiply the prime numbers that we get here, here, and this part. So we have here 5 times 7 times 5 times 3. So 5 times 7 times 5 times 3, that is equal to 525. So this will be our LCD. So we have here 525 divided by 35. So that is 15 times 32. That is 480 here minus 525, let's divide it by 75, and that is 7. Let's multiply it by 36, and that is 252. And then let's subtract. So we have here 480 minus 252, and that is 228 over 525. And then I want you to identify if this equation or this answer can still be simplified. Is it a yes? Can we simplify this? It is a yes. We can still divide it by 3. So let's divide it. 28 divided by 3, that is 76, over 525 divided by 3, that is 175. And this is the final answer now. So this is it. That's the end of our topic for today. I hope that you have learned something about subtraction of dissimilar fractions. My advice for you, dear students, is to choose the best method for you. Okay? If you choose butterfly method, then it's fine. If you choose the LCD method, then it's fine also. As long as you will get the correct answer at the end, any method is acceptable. So that's it for today. If you have inquiries about us or about the topic, kindly message the Honors Tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.